Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. I have 6,000 new viewers for the month of May and only 150 subscribers, so if you would like to see more of what I have on my videos, then I would love it if you could subscribe. My name is Sarah, and this is what I made this month. It's not that much, but I will go through it. The first thing I'm going to show you are the scrubbies. I made, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, some are larger and some are smaller. This is for the kitchen or for your face when you're doing your facial stuff and all of that. So, there's different sizes of scrubbies. These are a great stash buster as well. So these are my favorite, one of my favorite things to make. And this has a little bit of scrub to it. And then these are very soft and do not. So you have a variety of things you can do with these. You can make them soft or you can make them scrubby. Now the second thing I'm going to show you are some soap bags. Now here's just a little scrubby. That's just a round circle. I haven't even tied it in yet. But here's 2 little soap bags. These are very nice to have. You put your bar soap in it, and then you just use it as is. You can put a little string on it, a little chain, to make it where it'll hang, or you just poke it through this on the thing, or you just lay it down on your soap tray. So you just lay it down on your soap tray, or you hang it. And these are very nice, and these are also scrap busters and stash busters and all of that. These are really great for gifts and for giving away at parties and things like that. So these are wonderful, and these I love. These are some of my favorite items to make. The next stash buster is this Neapolitan hat. This will be in my pattern book coming soon, and this is really great when you have 3 different colors and you would like to make something but you don't have enough of each color. So this one here is the first hat, and then this one is the puffy stitch hat. So there we are for the 2 hats for this month. And that is a lot less than the usual, but I had a lot going on this month. So I had a little bit of this yarn left, so I made a little squishy. That's all it is a little squishy. This can be a baby toy or a stress reliever. So this one's a little great thing. It doesn't have any eyes, so it's great for any age baby, and it's just a squishy. Very fun. And then I have the 2 little cactuses. This little cactus was on a video, and I'll link that in the description or in the end maybe. Whoops, don't fall. And this one I put in a swing. This is one of the ones I put in a swing. You can put this on your rear view mirror or anywhere you want to hang it. These are really popular right now, so if you want to make this as a gift, you can. These eyes I actually glued on. I put basically some E6000 on the back, and I just stuck it in where I wanted them after I made it. So you can do that if you're not going to be giving this as a toy. So there's my little cactus. Now the reason why I did not have very much this month was, first of all, a lot was going on, like I said, and second of all, this is what I've been working on. This is made out of the thin thread. Now I have the back, which is very lacy. This is a sweater cover-up, and it's cotton, so it's very thin. The bottom of the front is lacy, and the front is the wave stitch. So this is a very delicate, tiny stitch with a 3.5 millimeter needle. And this is this tiny, tiny thread. So this has taken up the majority of my time this month. It is not finished. I was hoping to have it finished before we went on our almost vacation. And it's not quite finished. I still have more work to do on it, and I wanted to do sleeves on it as well. So that's going to happen. The other thing that accomplished this month is I got my business cards in. I'm so happy about those. And there's the back. So when I do markets, I will have these available to pass out. And I know some people say you don't need to do business cards, paper business cards, but I'm old school, so I'm just going to do those. So this coming up month for June, I'm going to finish the sweater, hopefully. And it's not really a sweater. I'm not sure what to call it. Maybe a cover-up, because it's not going to be warm at all. It's just going to be like a cardigan, but it's closed in the front, so just a cover-up. And I will show the wave stitch on a video coming up soon. This is a very easy stitch if you know single crochet, half double, double, and triple, which I can show you in the video when I do this. It's very simple once you get the hang of those. And if you can do a double, you can do a triple. Very simply. So I will show you that. And a lot of this is stash busters. If you want to do stash busters, then these are great projects to do. And this especially, like, this is just leftover yarn for this little guy, and it's just fun. You can make great gifts, and that's all for this month. I'm coming up with some more videos to send and get done. That is going to happen very soon. I'm really excited about this month coming up, and thank you for watching. If my 6,000 viewers would subscribe, or some of you would subscribe, I would really appreciate it, because I'm just almost on the edge of this actually being able to be my job, and I can do that instead of finding something full-time, and then this will take its back seat. I don't want to do that, so just keep watching, and thank you for watching, and I will be back with the next video very soon. Bye-bye.